You want to start over?
Let's start over.
Stand back, said the elephant. I'm going to
sneeze.
That's right. Did you blow gas there?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Stand back, said the
I.
Yeah, that's an I for I'm. You want to do it?
I'm.
That's where the word I'm is. That's true.
I'm
going to sneeze. Yeah. Stand back, said the
elephant.
I'm
Going to sneeze.
going to sneeze.
Six.
Yes, those are sixes, except they're actually punctuation marks or quotation marks. I hate to alarm you, but I don't wish to harm you. My friends, I fear it's clear. Oh dear, you'd better stand back. I'm going to sneeze. Oh no, cried the buffalo. You're so big and strong, and your trunk is so long. Your sneezes sent everyone flying along, bumping and thumping down pathway and trail, bouncing and jouncing, head over. Bouncing and jouncing, head over tail, tumbling and bumbling. Your sneeze is a gale or a hurricane. I hate to complain, but please
Don't sneeze.
don't sneeze. No, please don't sneeze, cried the monkeys in the trees. You make such a breeze when you sneeze. The last time you blew us right out of the trees. Out of the trees. The branches began to bend and to sway, and some of us landed so far away we didn't get back until the next day. The leaves all went whirling and tumbling and swirling, and the flowers shook for hours the last time you sneezed. Even a cough would knock some of us off. Oh, please,
Don't sneeze.
don't sneeze. With a shriek, the parrot opened his beak. The elephant says he's going to sneeze. Oh, elephant, please, cried the birds in the trees. The last time you sneezed, we lost every feather. We didn't know whether we'd ever get back together. Every parakeet was bare as a sheet from his head to his feet. What's more, all the whales had peacock's tails, and the wings of the cockatoo were stuck on the kangaroo. You must confess it was quite a mess, very confusing and not too amusing. Even a snuffle makes our feathers ruffle. Oh, please,
Don't sneeze.
don't sneeze. Fly, fly, called the birds to the bees. The elephant says he's going to sneeze. Oh no, buzzed the bees. Not a sneeze, not a sneeze. The last time he blew off our stings as well as our wings. And we had to make do with rose thorns and glue. Furthermore, what a shock. We all had to walk on our knees, if you please.
Owl.
That's an owl right here. And that's hard on bees' knees. While our wings grew back in. What a sin. Oh, please.
Don't sneeze.
Don't sneeze.
Beware, beware, beware.
Beware, beware, called the bees to the bear.
Crocodile.
Crocodile's next. Just a minute. The elephant says he's going to sneeze. Oh, please, not a sneeze, cried the bear.
Not a sneeze, not a sneeze.
Not a sneeze, not a sneeze, cried the bear. That's not fair. I declare the last time he sneezed, he blew off all my hair and left me so bare I spent the whole winter in long underwear. Hugo, what about the bear? The poor giraffe, don't laugh, almost bent in half. And the crocodile's snout was turned inside out the last time he sneezed. A sniff or a snuff is bad enough, but a sneeze, oh please, oh please. Don't sneeze, don't sneeze. I don't suppose you could hold your nose or wait a while?
Crocodile.
Asked the crocodile with a sad little smile. Oh my, do try, said the fly. We wish, said the fish. You would if you could. The last time you blew off all of our scales from our heads to our tails. And our gills got the chills, our skin is so thin.
Crocodile.
That is the crocodile. If you do it again, we'll freeze. Oh, please. Don't sneeze. Don't sneeze. The zebra yelled,
Yips.
Yipes! You'll blow off my what? The zebra yelled, Yipes! You'll blow off my stripes. Plus lots and lots of the leopard spots. And all of the snakes will be tied up in knots. The hippopotamus said, a lot of us will fall right on our bottomus if you sneeze. So please,
Don't sneeze.
don't sneeze. What's happening?
Running away.
Running away? Who's running away? Who's running away? Hmm? Who's that?
Monkey.
Monkey.
Yeah.
What's that? Everybody's running away? Yeah. I'm sorry, my friends.
That's why I put it.
What happened?
That's a leopard.
Leopard. What's a leopard doing?
Running away.
Running away.
I think I'm running away.
Who else is running away?
When
Who's this? Who's running away here? Who's that? Buffalo? What? Is a buffalo running away? What's a buffalo doing?
running away.
What's the giraffe doing? What is the giraffe doing?
That's running away.
Giraffe's running away. What's the zebra doing?
Running away.
Zebra's running away. What's the monkey doing?
Running away.
Running away. All right, would you like to know what the elephant says? I'm sorry, my friends, said the elephant sadly. About all of this I do feel badly. If I could keep from sneezing, I'd do it
A bear running
badly.
away.
Bear's running away. But I have such a twitch in my trunk and an itch, plus a bit of a tickle and even a prickle. You must run, fly, and hop. I'm afraid I can't stop. I would if I could, but there's nothing to do. What does the mouse say?
Boo.
Boo! Shouted a little gray
Mouse.
mouse jumping out of his
House.
house. He stood right up on his little
Toes.
tiptoes, stuck out his tongue and wiggled his
Nose.
nose. What did the elephant say?
Eek.
Eek! Shouted the elephant, jumping up in the air. That's a mouse! That's a mouse standing there. I must hide in a tree before he gets me. Or jump in a lake, for goodness sake. Don't scare me. Please, please spare me. The mouse laughed.
Whoop-ew.
Oh, pooh. Now what could I do? A little thing like me to a big thing like you? I only wanted to give you a scare, and it worked.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you. Are you done?
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Are you done with your milk? Okay. And it worked, as sure as you're standing there. Elephant, think about it, please. You completely forgot to sneeze.
Yeah.
Well, what do you know, cried the elephant. That's so. It's astounding, confounding. As I live and breathe, I don't think I really have to sneeze. He began to giggle. Hee 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 hee. That's the funniest thing that has happened to me. Ha 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 ha, ho ho ho. Can you say ho ho ho? Ho 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 ho, ho ho ho. The elephant shook from his head to his toe. He ho-hoed and ha-ha'd. He giggled and guffawed. He chortled and chuckled until his knees buckled. He sat down and rolled from side to side. Side to side. In fact, the elephant laughed till he cried. He laughed till the ground was shivering and shaking, and all of the trees were quivering and quaking. The monkeys came tumbling out of the trees, and the stings fell off every one of the bees. I need those. The bird's feathers went flying to goodness knows where, and all of the hair fell off of the bear. The giraffe bent in half, and the crocodile's snout turned inside out. The fish lost their scales from their heads to their tails. The zebra yelled, "Yipes! There go my stripes!" While the hippo went thump right on his plump, you know what? And into a puddle the mouse went, kerplop. Then he sat up and shouted, "This simply must stop. We're terribly glad you don't have to sneeze. But if you must laugh, laugh softly. Oh, elephant, please." The end.
Uh-oh. We're scared. Wait.
Turn the page.
This is page.
That's okay. There we go. The end.